key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, I'm so glad you're back. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone's doing good. And I have another makeup look to spice up your morning, afternoon, or night. I don't know, but I tried doing the trendy foxy eye makeup look, but I made it a lot more subtle so it will be more wearable. So without further ado, let's get started.
The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more.
First off is eyebrows, and you've seen me do this 100 times already, but I am actually trying to grow them out so I could film a straight eyebrow tutorial, so stay tuned for that. Then after that, I'll be using a neutral eyeshadow as my base, and then I'm just gonna blend. Then using a matte brown eyeshadow, I'm gonna focus on the outer corner of my eyes. After that, I'm gonna tightline my lower lash line for some sultry eyes effect. After that, I'll be mixing these two bronzy eyeshadow and applying them on the outer corner as well to deepen the look. For eyeliner, I'm doing the usual way, but to achieve the foxy eye, you also have to apply and extend the eyeliner on the inner corner of your eyes. then you can proceed with curling your lashes and applying some falsies. Then I'll be shading my face and applying some highlighter. For the lips, I'm gonna use some nudish colors and we'll just apply some lip gloss to add a little bit of pop. And that's it! Now to win free contact lenses from Olens, please check the description box for details and follow me and Olens on Instagram. That's it, loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.